Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Golangco. And this is just along OG Road,
yes.
No? And then ang kanto nito is papunta na ng Guagua, and then the other side naman is Florida Blanca. Just for us to check out this new open na coffee shop.
So dito sa store na to, nagsaserve sila ng frappe, milk tea, coffee, and pizza.
A lot more, guys. So if you want to know more about this, and if you're just near the vicinity, no, make sure to check out. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so this is the place, guys. Ayan, pansinin nyo, it's a small store. Pansin namin kanina pa, medyo marami talaga yung pumupunta dito. One thing for sure is they go here because of the quality, and at the same time, napakamura, affordable, guys. You will learn later on kung magkano yung mga prices natin dito. But for now, yeah, sabi ko kanina, so this is the Olongapo Gapan Road. Ayan, pasok na tayo para umpisan na natin yung ating taste testing. Right, so guys, this is it. This is what's inside dito po sa Foss Coffee. So meron siyang al fresco, which is the outside dining, and then meron siyang enclosed, which is this one. I think this is very suitable, di ba? Siyempre, there are times of the day na talaga sobrang init.
Yes, so lalong-lalo na they are open from 10 AM until 9 PM. So meron mga times talaga na sobrang init yung panahon.
Come inside, dine in, chill on a chill afternoon. Mas maganda siguro, lalo na yung paggabi. Mas maganda siguro kung
yes,
exactly. And which we have seen dun sa mga kaninang nag-dine in dito. Let's get into the food that they prepared for us. So dito, meron tayong, this is the strawberry and cream. And then this one is the Java chip naman. Look at that.
So akin naman yung kanilang caramel macchiato. And yung kanilang coffee jelly.
Yeah, 4 of their best sellers, guys. If you go here and check out their menu, sobrang dami pa nila.
Yes.
So sa mga drinks nila, guys, I'm really surprised.
Yes, that's only for 79 pesos and 89 pesos.
So they got 4 categories or base dun sa ano natin. So the first one is the espresso.
Yes, meron din silang cream base, meron silang tea base, meron din silang iced coffee, and mga
mocha base. Yes, exactly. Now, so they have like 6 flavors for the pizza, and we have now 2. We have the Hawaiian, and then this one is the ham and cheese. Anyway, so na-mention namin kanina, guys. So they have been in the industry for almost 10 years, and I've tried Foss Coffee inside sa mga mall.
Yes, meron mga Foss Coffee sa mga well-known malls dito sa Pampanga.
Yeah, and then at that time, I remember the first time na matry ko nga yung coffee nila, it's very affordable. Lalong-lalo na, guys, for the students, or even yung mga workers natin na umuwi ng bahay, they get to chill, they get to afford really good coffee, good drinks, good refreshment.
At a good price.
At a good price. Yeah. I gotta say, sobrang cheesy. Sobrang cheesy. No. For their price of 89 pesos, this one's really cheesy.
Maganda nga lang pang pasalubong. So yung kahit simple lang sila, mag-enjoy yung buong family. I'll go for the drinks. So this is their caramel macchiato, one of their best sellers.
Wow. You know, honestly, I'm really surprised now. There's something in this one na, I mean, for the size of it and then the price, sobrang flavorful pa rin.
Yes. Kahit hindi siya pagbigat sa bulsa.
Yeah.
You will feel refreshed pa rin. Nice.
Again, I can say this is an alternative to, you know, the expensive coffees that we know. And they are offering this one to everyone. But this one, you still get the same refreshment. It's a good coffee, good refreshment, but very affordable. So this one is their strawberry. Yeah. It is real. Sobrang lasa niya, guys.
Don't touch my calzone. Don't touch my calzone.
This is it. This is it. Mark, what can you say? Final say about the place, about the food?
So, yung place, napaka-simple. Maganda siya puntahan, lalo na kung gusto mong mag-chill lang. After work, pwede kang dumaan dito, then take out some frappes, some refreshment, or yung some pizza para dalhin sa bahay.
Yeah, ako para sa akin, no, they set up the place na parang hindi mai-intimidate kahit na sino. Dito guys, you don't have to spend a lot of money just for a refreshment. At the end of the day, gusto mo lang magpalamig.
Yes.
You want that, kumbaga, sugar craving. This is an option. This is an option. Lalong-lalo na ang daan na to dito sa Golangco is last stop mo before ka makauwi ng bahay. So, gusto mo chill, gusto mo nakapagpahinga ng konti. At least pagdating mo sa bahay, may merienda ka na, may pasalubong ka na.
Magre-relax ka na lang.
Relax ka pa.
So, Foss Coffee is located dito sa may GT Oil, Golangco, Guagua, Pampanga. And they're open from 10 a.m. until 9 p.m.
So, I think ang pinaka-landmark natin dito is the Land Bank
Yes.
Guagua at saka yung Baymax
Baymax.
Guagua.
Yes.
So, again guys, this is another option. No need for an expensive coffee if you want a really, simple chill.
Yes.
There you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out Foss Coffee dito po sa Guagua.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.